Hello students, welcome to the second session of mathematics of chapter Roman numerals. In the last session, we were discussing about the rules for the formation of Roman numerals. We were exploring the rule number 1, that is rule of repetition. In rule of repetition, we have 3 cautions. Cautions के माने होते हैं अपवाद. तो caution number 1 is only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Caution number 2 is V, L and D cannot be repeated. And caution number 3 is no numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. अगर हमारा रोमन न्यूमरल m है तो उसकी वैल्यू होगी 1000. अगर m है तो उसकी वैल्यू होगी 1000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 2000. और अगर न्यूमरल है m देन उसकी वैल्यू होगी 1000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3 दैट इज़ 3000. नाउ caution 2. According to caution 2, symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर हम रोमन न्यूमरल्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए किसी भी सिंबल्स को एक बार या 2 बार या 3 बार रिपीट करते हैं देन इट इज़ वैलिड, तो ये मान्य है. अगर हम इसको मोर देन 3 टाइम्स यानी कि अगर हम 3 बार से ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो वो इनकरेक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा ये कहता है कि सिंबल्स V, L and D are never repeated. That is, symbols for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. Suppose we want to represent 10 in Roman numerals, so we have to represent it with the help of X. That is correct method. But we cannot represent it with the help of VV, that is incorrect method. Similarly, 100 can be represented with the help of C, not with the help of LL. LL is the wrong method because repetition of V, L and D cannot be done. Now let's come to the rule number 2. According to rule number 2, a smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the larger numerals. For example, XII. Here value of I is smaller than X and I is written to the right side of X, so it will be added to X. As we know that the value of X is equals to 10 and value of I is equals to 1. So overall value of XII is equals to 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 12. Similarly, value of LX is equals to 50 plus 10, that is 60.